How to download EA Sports FC on Android. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download this application. First of all, open your Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on the search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for EA Sports FC. So, it will pop up in the first. Now, tap on it. Make sure this is the right application. You can verify it by using this logo, and you can even verify by looking at the company's name, Electronic Arts. Now simply just tap on this install button. So it will take some time. So what is EA Sports FC? So it is a soccer game like FIFA and other games. So there's joystick and you can even choose teams, and is a multiplayer game. So it is interesting and football enthusiastic player will love to play it. So it will take some time and you can play it easily. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.